I waited for her to finish the food before I started knocking. And secondly, I don't reach for the food until after I've marked the behavior, which was a yes. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat that a few more times. Yes. 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 Okay, so your hand don't go for the food until you've marked. Why? Because dogs are very observant. If we're doing this, your hand is always in the jar or on your training pouch. Look at what she's doing, right? Her eye is just focused on my hand. And then she's not going to focus on whatever is happening in the environment and whatever her behavior is.